everyone, welcome back to Daily Dose of Yoga. Today's session is all about opening up those hips, something that many of us experience if we're sitting or standing for long hours of the day. In this short flow, we're going to focus on releasing tension, improving mobility, and opening space in our hips. No matter your flexibility level, this practice is for you. So grab your mat, take a deep breath, and let's get started. Start laying on our back. Slowly lower yourself all the way down. Lift your right knee and place it over your left thigh. And flex your foot to protect your knee. Slowly pull your thigh towards your chest. Slow and steady with each exhale. You should feel a nice stretch alongside your outer hip. Slowly breathe in, exhale, breathe in again, and exhale. Lower your feet back down to the mat, and we can switch sides. Lift your left ankle up and cross over your thigh. Bring your arms out from each side and slowly pull your thigh towards your chest. Flex your feet, protect your knee. Again, everyone's body's a little different, but you'll probably feel this nice stretch alongside of your hip. Slowly breathe in. Go ahead and roll up to a seated butterfly. You can cross your legs over and push yourself up. Put the soles of your feet together. Sit up nice and tall. Lengthen your spine up like you're being pulled up with a little string on the top of your head. You can place your elbows on your thigh and lean forward for a little bit deeper stretch. Some deep breaths. This is a really good stretch for your inner thigh and hips. Just feel where your body is letting you know where you need to either fold forward a little bit to get a deeper stretch. Place your hands out in front of you as you come to tabletop. And turn your feet under. Lift your hips up into a downward facing dog. And you can just get a little stretch here. Walk back and forth. Take a couple deep breaths here. Take your right foot, step it between your two hands, drop your knee down to relax your foot. Inhale as you lift your arms up overhead, crescent lunge. And exhale, drop your right arm down. As you rainbow your left arm up and over. This is a great stretch for your psoas as well as your obliques. And we'll just stay here for a few breaths. Keep reaching. Bring your arms back down to your mat. Step your right leg back into a downward facing dog. Step your left foot between your two palms, drop your knee down, relax your foot. Inhale, lift up, crescent lunge. And drop your left arm down, rainbow your top arm up and over. We'll stay here for a few breaths. Keep reaching. Arms back down, out in front of you. Come back to downward facing dog. You can walk your dog if you need to for a couple breaths. Drop your knees down and then take your right leg, sweep it up towards the front. You're going to lower back. Your back leg stretches out. Slowly lower down into a pigeon pose. If you feel more comfortable staying up like this, you can. You can drop down onto your forearms. This is a really good hip opener. You want to make sure you keep your foot flexed to protect your knee. And just keep breathing. Breathe in. And then as you exhale, just melt a little bit deeper into the ground. Just try to focus on your breath. Keep breathing in. Exhale. Breathe in again. Exhale. And then slowly start to push your upper body up. We're going to rotate your toes back so you can switch out your legs. You can take a break if you need to with child's pose. And then come back to tabletop and bring your left leg up, sweep it up and lower down as you extend your back leg back. Keep your foot flexed and lower down gently. And just start to melt into the ground as you breathe. Focus on your breath. Notice where you may be feeling really, really tight. And just try to steer your breath direction. Go ahead and push your body up, and we're going to swing both our legs out in front of us. Sit up nice and tall. Inhale, lift your arms up and hinge at your hips. Lower your arms down. You can keep your knees bent if you need to. You can grab hold of your two big toes here. Just take some deep breaths. This is a really good stretch for your hamstrings. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Go ahead and sit up, and we're gonna scooch forward if you need to. We're gonna lower down onto your back and into happy baby. Go ahead and place your hands over your soles of your feet. And if you need to rock back and forth, because that's what your back is so telling you, I love this for a little mini back massage. Or you can just hold it here. Feel your hands almost being like a weight on the soles of your feet. And just keep breathing. And slowly just focus on your breath. This is really good to open up those hips. You can even kick your legs side to side if that's what your body needs. Go ahead and bring your knees in and wrap your arms around for a little hug around your legs. And then drop your feet down to the mat and lower your knees down to one side. Extend your arms out. Keep your shoulders flat on your mat. And you can gently turn your head towards your shoulder. A little supine twist. If you feel like you need a deeper stretch, you can bring your top knee down towards the ground and just focus on your breath. Bring your knees back to center, and then we'll drop them down to the opposite direction. Gently turn your head the other direction, facing the other shoulder. And again, if your top knee needs to come a little bit more forward for a deeper stretch, you can drop your top knee down and focus on your breath. Time, inhale and slowly exhale. Bring your knees back to center, and we're going to drop your legs all the way down to the ground. And you can bring your arms down closer to your side, palms facing up. Shavasana. Let go of any effort and allow your body to absorb the benefits of this practice. Soften your hips. Soften your shoulders. Keep your shoulders away from your ears. Feel your muscles in your jaw relaxing. Place your tongue between, I keep saying that, place your tongue behind your two front teeth. Soften your eyes and just focus on this moment. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Start to wiggle your fingers and your toes. You can move your head side to side. And when you're ready, we'll slowly start to move to a fetal position on your side. And then push yourself back up to a seated position. All right, notice how your hips feel now. Maybe a little bit more lighter, more open, or just at ease. Thank you for joining me today and taking care of your body. If you enjoyed this practice, be sure to like, subscribe, and send it to a friend who might need a little hip release. I'll see you in the next session, and until then, keep moving with ease.